Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to delete videos on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Now let's start how to delete videos on TikTok. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. You have to click on the profile. This type of screen will appear. Now click on the videos that you have uploaded. Click on the three dots which are appear above profile. Now you can scroll this bar and see there is delete option. You can delete here. Click on this delete option and your videos will be deleted from your TikTok account. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciable. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.